Hey guys, Jackie and Eric here with Legacy Training Group at Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana, and we are here with some quick tips today.
Yeah, today we're going to talk about how to clear your firearm and do it in a safe way, keeping your muzzle downrange. It's something that most people don't think about, but it's a common mistake we see in the ranges almost daily. The right of the people.
The right of the people.
To keep and bear.
To keep and bear.
Arms.
Arms.
Shall not be infringed.
Shall not be infringed.
The right of the people to keep and bear arms. The right of the people.
The right of the people.
To keep and bear arms.
To keep and bear. You say it so. You say it. You say it like to keep and bear.
Yeah, but if I just leave arms out like I did on the first one.
To keep and bear arms.
Shall not be infringed.
Shall not be infringed.
The right of the people.
The right of the people.
To keep and bear arms.
To keep and bear arms.
Shall not be infringed.
Shall not be infringed.
The right of the people.
The right of the people.
To keep and bear arms.
To keep and bear arms.
Shall not be infringed.
Shall not be infringed.
She's got this. In the interest of safety, we are going to confirm that Jackie is working with an unloaded firearm. She's already got her slide locked to the rear. First, we're going to visually and then physically inspect the chamber to ensure that that gun is unloaded. And in this case, it is. Jackie, if you would, go ahead and run your slide forward, please. Good job. Okay. One of the more common safety issues we address is people flagging people to their left or right with their firearm when they're locking their slide to the rear. Jackie, if you would, go ahead and show me the wrong way to do that, please. Hold it right there, please. If you'll notice, Jackie's pointed her firearm over here to the left. If there was another shooter over here, she would have flagged that individual with the muzzle of her gun. Totally inappropriate. So now Jackie is going to demonstrate the proper way to do it, ensuring that her muzzle is always downrange. What she's going to do, go ahead, is change the orientation of her body to keep that muzzle downrange. Lock her slide to the rear. Safely done. Good job, Jackie.
Yes.
Pop quiz, Jackie. What's the Second Amendment?
Yeah, that.
Pop quiz, Jackie. What's the Second Amendment?
I forget how it starts.
The right of the people.
right of the people. Why do I do that?
The right of the people. Pop quiz, Jackie. What's the Second Amendment?
The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed.
You nailed it.
I missed the bear arm. Wait.
You did.
What did I miss?
No, I think she got it.
Yeah.
Did I?
Yeah,
I thought I missed something.
You went pretty fast.
I thought I missed something.
You rolled through it quick.
Yeah.
No, you said it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If there's something you want to see, you can leave a comment below, and we'll probably look at it. Maybe we'll have someone else look at it. Yeah, and you can just leave a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because yeah, it'd be really fun. Yeah. And
Inspect the chamber. This is a loaded firearm. Okay. Boom. Okay.
And also, I'm pretty sure it sounded like you did say this is a loaded firearm.
Did it really? Okay. That's why we do this
But that's
practice.
fine. We're just running through it.
In the interest of safety, folks, we're going to ensure that Jackie is working with an unloaded. Bullshit. Administrative bullshit. You got to have your bullshit in line or you will get shot.
Just not across the firing line.
Not across the firing line, downrange. I get on. Hey, I know I can start doing all this hand shit.
Yeah.
You got to have your line over here.
Applause for Jackie. I'm doing it right.
She did it.
I can't clap with both my hands.
Golf clap.
Snaps.
I played golf yesterday.
I can't snap with this hand either.
Of course you did. You're retired.
Yeah, I am. I'm old. That's what old guys do.
Old and retired.
Old and
equals-
retired. Tap.
You have to like assume the Eric position. All right, you ready?
yeah. Hey, you know, it's Eric from earlier in the video. If you have anything you want us to talk about, be sure to leave a comment below. We'll probably look at it maybe. Yeah, and if you like it, you just leave a thumbs up. Yeah, a thumbs up. Yeah, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Because I'm Jackie and I'm new in videos. And yeah, that's weird. Oh yeah, it's weird. I guess. You'll fix it in post, right?
Are you ready? Are you,
Yeah, are you ready to start recording? Right?
Are you happy
You
about
chose
that?
the wrong job. Hey, it's Eric. I suddenly have a bunch of energy I didn't have in the previous part of the video, but if you have something you want us to do, make sure to leave a comment below. It'll be pretty exciting if we look at it. yeah, if you could leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and you probably subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want. And then because I'm Jackie, and I have to use this part every time. It's kind of weird. Oh yeah, it's pretty weird. Why do you keep doing this voiceover? I don't know. I have to ask someone else.
Michael, you okay? No.